I have always been constantly reminded to look, listen, speak, and breathe through this one moment. Here now. This is the one and only moment through which all opportunities have already been passed. Here now. I have always been living as Iron Body Master Alchemist without overthinking it, without overanalyzing it. I'm simply living it. Living as I speak, as I share these messages through this one moment here and now. This one moment is all that ever exists, is, and matters here now. This one moment has always been the moment through which all champions have been emerged here now. I have always been forever here and now. Focus is reality here and now.